Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I was just editing the video that I posted a few days ago for you guys, called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Well, that's the game I was playing. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to title it, but it's kind of frustrating because I didn't get a very good ending, but there are two other endings, well, technically three, that I think might be a possible ending. Like, I don't actually know if they're another ending, but like, the first one is if I collect. Oh, by the way, watch that video. I'm going to put an iCard for it. Everything will make more sense if you watch that. But the first one would be if I go fast and get all of the cans into the vending machine, which I think is actually possible because, like, the timer had started as soon as I walked in the door, and then I just sat around doing nothing for a long time. And another one would be to eat the toothpaste and the orange juice together, which I don't recommend you do in real life. But like, that might be another ending. And another one would probably be to make breakfast. I'm just going to try to get all of the cans into the vending machine in this video, and maybe if I have more time, I will try to get the orange juice and toothpaste ending. It has actually been a long time since I've played this game, so maybe there'll be a few new updates. Also, I noticed that the screen recorder that I used is like super glitchy, like so bad. And also it has a watermark now, so if you see something in the corner that says screen recorder, that's what it is. I have freezer, shoplift, and orange. And I think I need to collect all of the epic points, which used to be money, in order to like... This chair didn't used to be here either. In order to actually be able to afford everything, so I'm going to collect it right now. So I don't think there's anything new in the kitchen. I think, oh yeah, you have to use this Bloxy Cola in the vending machine too, because otherwise there won't be enough, because there's only 7 in the store. So, I'm gonna go to the store now. And also while editing, I noticed that this thing says no. No. Oh, there's also some sodas down here, but I can't take them. Okay, phew. I thought I drank the cola for a second. I was like, no. So it says feed me sodas. So let's just start buying things. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay, there's 70 seconds left, so I don't know if I'm going to have enough time. It started off with 145, and I'm only halfway done. So if I just go as fast as possible, no messing around, no nothing. Come on, let's go. Oh no, stop, stealing it. No! Are you kidding me? Okay, I don't think he's gonna notice if I shoplift. Okay. The vending machine seems happy. That's it? Well, that's great. Let's eat some orange juice and toothpaste. I hope he doesn't wake up. Just sneak away. We're home now. Should I just drink it? Oh my gosh. I talked to the dummy. What the heck? I'm confused. Wait. Something's happening. Is this supposed to be an ending? Is he supposed to talk? And it's not working? I am disappointed. I'm gonna rejoin the game and see if I have a new statue. I feel like there's not gonna be a new ending because I was supposed to talk to the dummy, but nothing happened. Wait. I didn't have a vending machine here before. I just want to drink all the soda. I haven't actually gotten a snack. Ugh. I've just done random things. Wait, these turned into ticks and Robux. Oh. I'm just gonna drink all of this soda, and if nothing happens, I will be sad. Ran out of sodas? Nothing happened. Okay guys, I want to try something else. I want to do the toothpaste and orange juice one again, but this time try to press on the dummy and talk. And because that might have been a glitch or something. So I'm going to go buy some orange juice. Hopefully I have enough money. I don't actually know how much it costs. Hopefully I can get a new ending. Because I don't think the vending machine one was an actual ending. Let's drink this orange juice. And eat this Colgate. Okay, so the same thing happened. Wait, you're here? Okay, it's working. Phew. Welcome, Danielle. That was quite a remarkable death. It was very unfortunate. Have you heard of the legend? Drinking orange juice, then putting toothpaste in your mouth is supposedly very painful to your taste buds. You shouldn't try that. Okay, now I want to try that, but okay. Anyway, the sheer amount of pain transported you beyond dimensions, beyond death. Oh, jeez. And that led you here. Who exactly am I, you ask? My name is Dummy. Duh. Can't you see on top of my head? No, because of your dialogue. What? Did you want to know my purpose as well? Well, you see, there are a few things you can do in this game, if you could tell. If you ever get stuck or confused, you can come back here and I'll tell you about these endings. Woo! I also kind of need you to get all of those endings. Don't ask why you need to. I was just told you needed to. Okay, so if there's more endings, I'm going to make a different video about it, so this is part 2. I know that sounds like a hassle, but it shouldn't take that long. I will give you your orange juice and toothpaste ending now. Come back here when you get all of them. Ooh! Ultra death. Let's just look at the new trophy that we got, if we got one. Ultra death. Nice. Are there lights in the bathroom that I can turn on? Okay then. Is that a new ending? I hope that is, because that was a pretty terrifying ending. Oh my gosh, I'm choking. Okay. The next one I'm going to try is eating the chips that are in the thumbnail. Because I haven't actually eaten them yet. So, yeah. And they might give me a different ending. So let's see. Oh no, no new endings. That's sad. Wait, let me turn my brightness up. Okay, I also turned off the blue light filter so it's not so, yellow. Okay, I'm gonna eat the chips. Oh no. Ooh. Oh, it's a new ending! Chips! That's exciting. A new ending. So it pops up on your screen when there's a new ending that you got. So now I need to find an egg and do the breakfast ending. I don't know where I'm gonna find an egg, and I might have to watch a YouTube video about the different endings so that I can get them all. Okay, there's chips. Is this entire thing gonna be filled up? Or is there one more? Are there any eggs in the kitchen? Okay, I'm gonna collect some cash and go to the store. I don't know if this is enough cash, but I'm leaving anyways. So, I don't think there's anything important out here. Oh! The vending machine says thank you! Wait, there's eggs right here! How did I never notice that? We're gonna get a new ending, I think. Okay. $50? $25 for an egg? Okay. It's worth it. So we have to take this home and cook it, and then come back and get the orange juice. This is gonna take a long time. So I'm not sure how I'm supposed to cook this. Get egg, cook egg on stove. Wait, does it need a pan? Guess not. Ooh! Okay, I need to turn off the oven. Okay, now I need to get the orange juice. I feel like this should be the true ending, because you eat the breakfast and then you're satisfied. Ooh, this is some nice music. Okay, once I place this, something might happen, or I might have to eat it first.
Good job, Amber. Good job. Hey, Ben.
Perfect breakfast! Okay, is this all the endings, or are there a ton more? I can't tell. Oh, it looks like there's a ton more. 3 more. But, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you watch part 3. Have a great rest of your day. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye!